How to use Google Authenticator app. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Play Store and then search for Google Authenticator. Now this is the one that you would be looking for. Simply install the application and then here, as you can see from the documentation, this will allow stronger security and you will be able to get verification codes for all your accounts using two-step verification. You can also simply set up using your camera and then you will scan the QR code in your two-step verification settings for Google or any third-party service. A unique code will be used to sign in. You can also do cloud syncing. Here you can see different codes for different application. So yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.